The supply of vegetables and other daily commodities in the capital is normal. According to the wholesalers, the price of most vegetables have gone down slightly compared to last week, but the price of green chili has dropped significantly. Visiting the wholesale market of Karwan Bazaar in the capital at night, our representative has gathered the price of few daily commodities. The price of green chili is 90 to 110 taka per kg, tomato 130 to 140 taka per kg, bitter gourd 80 taka, brinjal 45 to 50 taka per kg, papaya 30 to 32 taka, and gourd is being sold at 50 taka per piece. Besides, broiler chicken is being sold at taka 155 to taka 160 per kg, and Shonali chicken at taka 250 to taka 260 per kg. Meanwhile, the wholesale market in Tejgao, egg is being sold at taka 134 to taka 135 per dozen.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।